Today we're making crispy garlic baguettes with chicken and veggies, perfect for a quick lunch or warm dinner. This episode is sponsored by Pomelo Catering, offering healthy meals with a wide menu selection. Save time with their catering. Culinary Adventures viewers, check the video description for a special offer. Details below. You'll find the exact ingredient amounts needed for this recipe in the video description. Slice baguettes halfway, not cutting through. Spread inside with your favorite sauce. I mixed ketchup and mayo. Add grated cheese, then fried chicken. I used Gyros seasoning. Top with veggies, fresh peppers, pickles, and red onion. Sprinkle more cheese on top. I used 100 G total. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake baguettes for 15 minutes until golden. Drizzle with ketchup or sauce, sprinkle with chives, and enjoy. Bon appétit!